Hey guys, welcome back. So this year Apple is going to introduce a new design change for the display which will be implemented in the next gen iPhones. Moreover, Apple might give a special feature to all the iPhone 14 series which is currently exclusive to Pro models only. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So big news coming in that next gen iPhones in 2022 will get major design change for the display. Finally, Apple has decided to remove the notch from its iPhone 14 series and will bring a pill-shaped design in the center of the display, as you can see in this picture, which definitely looks way better than a notch. Further, the report also mentioned that Apple has managed to hide the Face ID sensor under the display without any effect to its working. But now, according to the new information, there will be a punch hole cutout as well as pill-shaped cutout on the top of the display. So this means there will be two hole cutouts instead of a small notch like we have on the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. Anyways, you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys feel about it. Moving on, all the devices in the iPhone 14 series will also get the new 120Hz ProMotion display like we have on the current iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max, and this is a great news that this feature is also coming to the lower iPhone 14 models, where it will help to reduce the battery consumption by changing the refresh rate according to the need from 10Hz to 120Hz. Apple is also increasing the RAM by 6GB for both the iPhone 14 and 14 Max, which are expected to be the base model in the iPhone 14 lineup. And we already know that iPhone 13 mini was the last of its generation and there won't be any mini devices coming this year. Now moving on, talking about the back camera, Apple is expected to add a fresh 48 megapixel sensor as a primary shooter in the Pro models. Not only this, it will also enable the 8K video recording option, which is definitely a great move. As of now, we can only imagine how well Apple can optimize this new sensor according to their taste, and this is first time where Apple will use more than 12 megapixel sensor on its iPhones. Moreover, we all know that iPhones are the best in recording the video, so it would be good to see how well Apple can implement this feature on the latest upcoming iPhone 14 series. So there you go guys, this is the iPhone 14 series launching this year with some new design changes to the display. And if you have any question related to the smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel as well. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.